What's up, fitness fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're ditching the boring chicken and rice and cooking up something seriously delicious that will fuel your gains and keep your taste buds happy. Get ready for my ultimate high-protein lemon herb salmon with roasted asparagus and quinoa. This meal is a powerhouse of nutrients, perfectly balanced to help you build muscle, recover faster, and stay energized all day long. If you're ready to take your meal prep to the next level, you've come to the right place. Let's get cooking. First up, let's talk ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 6-ounce salmon fillet. This beauty packs a massive 34 grams of protein. We'll also need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, which gives us about 8 grams of protein, and 40 grams of complex carbs for sustained energy. Grab a bunch of fresh asparagus, about 10 spears, for fiber and micronutrients. For our amazing marinade, you'll need the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a teaspoon each of dried oregano and dill, a little salt and pepper to taste, and that's it. All in all, this entire meal comes in at just under 550 calories, with roughly 45 grams of protein, 45 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of healthy fats. It's the perfect macro-friendly meal. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, let's prep our asparagus. Take your bunch, snap off the woody ends. They'll naturally break where they're supposed to. Lay them out on a baking sheet, drizzle with just a tiny bit of olive oil, and sprinkle with a pinch of salt and pepper. Give them a quick toss to make sure they're all lightly coated. We'll pop these in the oven later, but it's good to have them ready to go. Simple, effective, and full of vitamins. Now for the star of our dish, the salmon. Pat your fillet dry with a paper towel. This is a crucial step to ensure we get a nice crispy skin. In a small bowl, we're going to mix up our marinade. Combine the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the minced garlic, oregano, and dill. Whisk it all together until it's well combined. The aroma alone is incredible. Now place your salmon fillet in a shallow dish. Skin side up if you have it, and pour that beautiful marinade all over it. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. We don't want to leave it much longer, as the lemon juice can start to cook the fish. While our salmon is marinating, let's talk quinoa. I've pre-cooked mine to save time, which is a great meal prep hack. To cook it, you just need a 1:2 ratio of quinoa to water. So for 1 cup of cooked quinoa, you'd start with half a cup of dry quinoa and 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Fluff it with a fork, and you have a perfect, fluffy base for our meal. Packed with fiber and complete protein, it's a fantastic alternative to rice and so much more nutritious. Okay, oven's hot, and our salmon is ready. Place the salmon fillet on the same baking sheet as your asparagus. I like to keep them on opposite sides, just for easy removal. Now slide that tray into the preheated oven. The asparagus will take about 12 to 15 minutes, and the salmon will take about the same amount of time, depending on its thickness. You'll know the salmon is done when it flakes easily with a fork. You want it to be opaque and tender, not dry. While that's roasting, the whole kitchen is going to smell absolutely divine. This is the kind of cooking that makes you excited to eat clean. Time to check on our food. After about 12 minutes, take a fork and gently press on the thickest part of the salmon. If it flakes apart easily, it's perfect. The asparagus should be tender crisp, not mushy, but cooked through with a slight bite. Carefully pull the baking sheet out of the oven. Look at that beautiful golden brown crust on the salmon and the vibrant green of the asparagus. This is what I call food that loves you back. It looks good, and it's going to make you feel even better. Let's plate this masterpiece. Start by scooping a generous portion of your fluffy quinoa onto the plate, creating a nice bed for the salmon. Next, gently place your perfectly roasted salmon fillet right on top. Arrange the roasted asparagus spears alongside it. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, you can garnish with a fresh lemon wedge and a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley. And there you have it, a gourmet-level, high-protein meal that took less than 30 minutes to make. This is how you win at meal prep. It's vibrant, it's balanced, and it's absolutely packed with the good stuff your body needs to perform at its best. And that's a wrap. A delicious, incredibly easy, and macro-perfect meal that will support your fitness goals without sacrificing flavor. This lemon herb salmon is proof that eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an exciting and tasty part of your journey. Remember, what you put into your body is the fuel for your performance, both in and out of the gym. So eat clean, train hard, and stay strong. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and effective fitness meals every week. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.